Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah Ansari radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I have been conferred upon 5 such things as have not been bestowed upon any other prophet before me. In past, each prophet alayhi salam had been dispatched specifically to his own ummah, whereas I have been commissioned to every red and black eastern and western people. The booty was not legitimate for any prophet alayhi salam, but it has been made lawful for me. And the whole earth has been made a purifying thing, and masjid only for me. So when a man is overtaken by the time of prayer, he must perform it right there where he is. And I have been helped by awe which works on the people from a month's journey away, and only I have been granted the right of intercession. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1163.